So today's Saturday, this is my second load of washing of the day, and it is costing us absolutely nothing at the moment, and it is a beautiful sunny day. So this is the end of day 2. We've put all the insulation on my daughter's bedroom. They move the furniture around so we don't have to worry about that, and they take all their big bits of rubbish away. I've just quickly ran around with the Hoover just to get any fine little bits of dust up off the floor. Also on day 3 we've had a plumber come out and taken the single radiator that was on our wall off and capped ready for the new heating system. Also done that electric there. Day 3 we've had an electrician come out today to put caps on our electrics and got them ready to go through the installation. They've added on a earth rod that goes out through the wall into the ground. Some more electrics. So day 4 and the electricians have been and started drilling out all the core holes where the fans are going from the bathroom there. Here's a fan that's been finished. We've done the trunking. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's it on. So it's all quite very quiet. And they've swept up and tidied up for me. So that's good. Day 4 today. I think they're going to line this bedroom for us. So I'll show you what it's like later on. This is it in mine and my husband's room. They've put protective plastics down. Coming back tomorrow. They've also started ripping out the roof, which they're going to insulate for us as well, and our walls. It's 7 o'clock Saturday evening. The builders have just gone and they have boarded out this room for us today. So this is just a bit of mess. They have also finished doing myself and my husband's room, and they have started doing our attic room, which they had to take all the old roof down, and they have started insulating in here. So it's afternoon on day 6, which happens to be Sunday, and they have started putting the insulation on the side of our stairs. Afternoon on the Sunday, which is the 6th day, and they've been working in here again today. So they've moved all of our things and covered it with some plastic sheet, and they've also got this ready to put some insulation in and board it out. So it's the end of day 8. So it's the end of day 9, and the carpenter has been and put a cupboard on our wall really to cover our electrics. It's lunchtime on the 10th day, which is Thursday. They're finally starting to come out of the attic. So they've done this stairs, well, little cupboard under the stairs. And they're busy doing on our attic walls. That's the solid wall there. And this is the attic. It's taken them a couple of days to do the attic due to the boards not sitting flush because of our old warped walls. But they're doing a really good job. It's the end of day 10, and they've just said they want to come and start in here today. So I've just quickly tidied off the walls and cleaned out the windows so they can make a start on these 2 walls for us. This is the end of day 11, and they have insulated and plasterboarded in here. We've made a little cubby hole really, so our door sits flush within the wall, which I think is very clever. They've done this wall here, and they've done our boot room. It's the end of Friday, day 11, and they have managed to plasterboard down our stairs. The end of day 11, so Friday, and they have plasterboarded in this little bit here, and I think they finally finished the attic. Yeah, they've done the attic, doing an amazing job. They've done in here as well. Day 12, the builders have just stopped for a break, and this is how far they've got in the front room today. It's the end of day 12, which is Saturday. The insulators and plasterboarders have finished today. They've done around our door, and they've done in here for us. So it's the end of day 17, and they have plastered in here today. They've done both sides. So it looks a million times better. So it's the end of day 21. They've done in this little room today with the plastering. They have also done down the stairs for us. It's the end of day 21, as well as doing upstairs and the landing. They've also done in this room with the plastering as well. It's the end of day 22, and they've plastered in here today. I think they said they're going to finish tomorrow. They've only really got this room left to plaster and a few other little corners to smarten up. It's the end of day 22, and the plumbers have been today and started work installing the heat pump. So, they've also disconnected our header tank and cylinder and drained the fire system. So tomorrow will be a full day getting radiators in. So it's lunchtime on day 23, and the plasterers have just left. They've just quickly done this room before they left. It's the end of day 23. The plumbers have been in today and installed this radiator and this radiator, getting ready to do the air source heat pump.